4-minute race. Yeah, everybody's on the horn in 5. Oh, watch out in 4. There we go. Then we'll get into it. These cars are a handful. Oh, Jamie puts Paige into the driver's stand. Wasn't as subtle as it looked. No, he's waiting on Paige. There you go, Jamie. Oh, I thought he was just messing with you there for a second. Three minutes to go. 3
minutes left.
It is Barry leading this one. Paige running second. Jamie is third. Oh, Barry gives Paige a little front bumper shunt. I don't think Barry could have avoided it if he wanted to. Yeah.
Two minutes left.
Paige coming out of the groove a little bit there. Jamie passing. Oh! Normally I'd say she's beating the crap out of the car, but maybe it needs an attitude adjustment a little bit. Oh, super wide. I think she's losing sight of it as it comes by the driver's stand. Final minute. Right now it's Barry leading. Jamie running second. Paige is third.
1 minute left.
Oh, she dropped the battery. Watch out over here in 1 here.
Yeah.
40 seconds. Well, Paige, you got a good view of the race. Shake hands after you're done. You know how it goes. Blame your dad for not putting enough tape in the car. Or blame yourself, I don't know. Barry got you, Jamie, you're done. Barry Henry, 58, 4 flat. Jamie ran a 53.401. All right.